Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to export 4K Ultra HD video quality in CapCut PC. We will first open CapCut and import a clip in it. Now we will go to this section and do some basic corrections to the clip. We can experiment with all the values and look for the best adjustments for our video. Notice how every value is making a change in the video and try to copy these values. Now the most important thing is to keep these export settings. Try to copy the settings which we are showing you on the screen. Now our video has been exported with 4K Ultra HD quality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.